Welcome to the fascinating world of vintage wood furniture, where each piece tells a story and evokes a sense of nostalgia that transcends time. In an era marked by fleeting trends and disposable items, vintage wood stands as a testament to craftsmanship and enduring beauty. This journey into the realm of reinvented vintage wood furniture invites you to explore how these timeless treasures can elevate your home decor, creating spaces that not only showcase aesthetic appeal but also foster emotional connections and lasting memories. By integrating vintage wood into your home, you embrace a sustainable lifestyle that honors the artistry of the past while making a meaningful statement in your present. As we delve deeper into the significance of vintage wood furniture within contemporary decor, we uncover the rich narratives that each item carries. These pieces are more than mere furniture; they are vessels of history, craftsmanship, and personal stories, capable of transforming any space into a sanctuary imbued with character. From robust dining tables that have hosted countless family gatherings to intricately carved cabinets that serve as custodians of cherished memories, vintage wood furniture connects us to our past and bridges the gap between generations. By reimagining and revitalizing these extraordinary items, we not only honor their legacy but also create stylish, functional environments that resonate with authenticity and warmth, making a lasting impact on our lives and those who gather within our homes. We hope you found inspiration in the stories and craftsmanship behind these timeless pieces, and how they can elevate your home decor to create lasting memories. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to see more content like this, we invite you to stay connected with us by subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing this video, you help spread the love for vintage wood and sustainable design. Stay tuned for more exciting insights, tips, and projects that celebrate the beauty and legacy of vintage pieces, and let's continue this journey together to transform our spaces into ones that are not just beautiful, but meaningful. Vintage wood furniture represents a unique intersection of artistry and history, where each piece not only serves a functional purpose but also tells a story of its own. Crafted in an era where quality was often prioritized over quantity, these items embody the techniques and styles of their times. In today's fast-paced world, where trends come and go, reinventing vintage wood furniture allows us to honor and preserve these legacies while making them relevant in contemporary spaces. As we breathe new life into these treasured pieces, we create an opportunity to connect with our past and bring it into our present. The conversation around sustainability is more critical now than ever, and incorporating vintage wood furniture into home decor signifies a commitment to eco-friendly practices. In a time when wastefulness is rampant, repurposing vintage pieces is a step towards reducing our impact on the environment. By choosing to restore existing furniture rather than purchasing new, we conserve natural resources and reduce carbon footprints associated with manufacturing. Vintage wood, often sourced from slow-growing trees, boasts a durability that modern materials frequently lack, ensuring that these pieces not only beautify our homes but also contribute to a more sustainable planet. One of the most appealing aspects of vintage wood furniture is its remarkable versatility. These pieces can blend seamlessly into various design aesthetics, from the shabby chic of a cozy cottage to the sleek lines of mid-century modern interiors. The natural grains and textures of vintage wood add warmth and character to any setting, allowing homeowners to mix and match styles without compromising on visual harmony. Whether it's a Victorian-era side table or a retro 70s bookshelf, vintage wood can adapt to and enhance a wide array of decor themes, making it a staple in today's design landscape. Vintage wood furniture holds a reputation for exceptional craftsmanship that many modern mass-produced items cannot rival. Skilled artisans of the past utilized time-honored techniques that prioritized quality and durability, resulting in furniture that resists wear and tear. Pieces like solid wood tables and crafted chairs showcase not only beautiful aesthetics but also practical longevity. Their resilience means they can withstand the rigors of daily life, catering to families and lifestyles while requiring minimal repairs or replacements, affirming their value as lasting investments. Beyond its physical attributes, vintage wood furniture often carries significant emotional weight. Many pieces serve as family heirlooms or cherished possessions that have been passed down through generations, each carrying stories and memories associated with its previous owners. Embracing these items allows families to connect with their heritage, creating an atmosphere of warmth and familiarity within the home. The act of restoring or reinventing a beloved vintage piece infuses it with new life while simultaneously preserving its sentimental value, fostering a deeper emotional bond between the furniture and its owners. Vintage wood furniture provides a unique opportunity to make bold decor statements. Whether it's an intricately carved armoire or a stunningly patterned dining chair, these pieces are sure to draw attention and spark conversation. Their distinct styles and history set them apart from mainstream decor, inviting guests to explore their origins and the tales they hold. This conversation-starting potential enhances social gatherings, as discussions naturally gravitate towards the personal stories behind each piece, enriching the overall experience of hosting. Reinventing vintage wood furniture often involves a process of customization that allows homeowners to express their individuality. With the rise of DIY culture and artisanal craftsmanship, there are countless ways to personalize vintage pieces to reflect one's tastes and style preferences. Whether it's introducing a fresh coat of paint, reupholstering with modern fabrics, or adding contemporary hardware, customization creates a one-of-a-kind item that resonates with its owner. This level of personalization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also transforms the furniture into a meaningful element of home decor. The timeless aesthetic of vintage wood furniture ensures its relevance through changing design trends. Classic pieces retain an allure that modern designs often struggle to achieve, standing the test of time due to their enduring style. The rich tones, varied grains, and natural textures inherent in vintage would develop a unique patina that adds to their beauty as they age. This timeless quality makes vintage items a wise choice for homeowners looking to create spaces that remain beautiful and engaging, resisting the fast fade of fleeting trends. In conclusion, the process of reinventing vintage wood furniture not only honors historical craftsmanship but also serves as a celebration of sustainability and individuality. By embracing these timeless pieces, homeowners can create spaces that are aesthetically rich, evocative of personal stories, and deeply connected to heritage. As we breathe new life into vintage wood decor, we craft environments that leave lasting impressions, marrying the past with the present in a way that enriches our lives and the stories we tell. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it both inspiring and informative as we explored the timeless beauty of vintage wood furniture. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Your likes and shares help us reach more enthusiasts and foster a community that appreciates the charm of vintage design. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.